Alright, working on my Cadillac here. It's a 99 North Star piece of crap. Anyway, I'm putting my TriboDyn oil in it here. So I'm going to do a test on this car and see if it makes it run better or not. So it's supposed to do quite a bit of mileages and power and all that, so we'll see now. So I got 6 quarts I just dumped in it right now. I still got a couple more to go, I think. I just got done lighting it off. So we're running the 1030 TriboDyn in it. So this is the stuff we're putting into it. So we'll see how it works. So this car's been getting about 20 to 21 miles per gallon on my road trips up to LA for my racing stuff. So we pulled out that much oil. This bowl holds about 8 or 9 quarts as I recall. So anyway, I use this for my pickup truck, so got a bunch of junk in the back right now. It's also dog transport. So anyway, it's just a beater car is all this piece of crap is. But anyway, we're going to see what this TriboDyn stuff does with it. I might lighten a load in the back maybe, I don't know. I guess it's a good reason to do it. Take 100 pounds of crap out of here. Yeah, we got Harley shit in here. So we got some Allen exhaust and Allen wheels. Need any? So anyway, I use it for the pickup truck. It works good. That pickup truck don't run very well, so we'll use this for a pickup. Anyway, we'll find out what happens. This thing keeps good track of the mileage and you know, all the computer crap and thing, so I can find out if it's making a difference or not. Basically, I get about 9 3/4 to 10 miles per gallon driving around town, and then on the freeway on long trips, like I said, I'll get 20, 21 miles per gallon, so we'll see. It'll be a 300, 350 mile trip in one day. So we got one of those coming up here next week, so we'll see what it does. I'll give it a week of break-in time to get this mixed in with the stuff that was in there. I had my Maxima 1560 Harley oil in here to flush out the system, and so it's pretty clean inside the motor. Tunnel's jamming in there real good. So you can kind of see in there it's fairly clean. It's only got 50,000 miles on this motor, so it's pretty low mileage vehicle. So I've had about 2,000 miles worth so far. So anyway, we're just beating on it. Normal driving style, just like on the bikes, run the piss out of it. So anyway, we'll see how this works. So I tried it on my military bike, and with only 5 miles of running time, it didn't get a lot of difference. I could tell too much. A little bit quieter running, but that's about all I noticed. So this stuff here we'll notice pretty quickly in here, because I pretty much drive this back and forth to work every day. So I should notice pretty quickly what's happening with it. And like I said, next week I'll be doing a long trip, so we'll find out what it does for sure. But anyway, that's where we're at. So we're doing our TriboDyn test, and once again we're using the this one here. We got the 1030 we're trying. That's what we're supposed to run in the car. I got some 520 I could put in it too, but this is the recommended oil, so I'm gonna go with this one. We'll see what happens. So this is a full synthetic on this version, and it's got all the fancy additives in it. So we'll see what happens. So far it's tested pretty good and everything else we've had it in, so now I'm going to put it in something I drive, so we'll have a better idea how it really works. So we'll let you know. Okay, you just saw me change the oil on my car. So here's the oils I'm using. So this is all the TriboDyn I just got in. So I got a batch of it came in here. So we got some high performance stuff here for diesel trucks. So we got the 1540 synthetic blend. They use this for tractor pulling and heavy duty diesel stuff where you're putting a lot of boost into them. Here's that's the same one, full synthetic. No, excuse me. This one's a synthetic blend. This one here over here is the full synthetic. This one using on diesel trucks. Both of these are diesel oil, but if you got a high mileage truck, you use the synthetic blend. It'll help on oil leakage a little bit. If you got a good motor, you run the full synthetic in it. They're the same weight. This one over here is for new vehicles. They run a 540 on the diesel cars, I guess, and modern pickups. So that's what this one here is, full synthetic again. So So these are my 3 diesel oils. You can also use these in cars if you got a heavy duty car and run a piss out of it and you want to run something thicker than 30 weight. And you don't want to use a 2050, then you can use this. So anyway, these are pretty tough oil. This here is the modern car oils. So you got a 520, I got a synthetic blend, and I got a fully synthetic. And then this is what I just put in my CAD, which is the 1030. So if you got a 90s car or early 2000, you use this. If you got later 2000 stuff, you use these 5 weight things. They also make a triplex oil for the modern Chevy standard, whatever the hell, in the European spec crap. So I haven't stocked that yet, but I can get it. But anyway, for now, I got this stuff here sitting here. This is what we use in the Harley. It's our 2050. You can also use in cars. I use this in cars too. If you get my old S10 pickup truck, I put this in there. We saw about a 50% increase in mileage on that, and a pretty good boost in power. So, you know, every vehicle is a little different. But the more worn out the motor is, the better this stuff is for it. It makes a bigger change. This one here is different container. This is the older container. This is the newer container. So, same stuff. Synthetic blend. They also make a full synthetic version of this too, but most of the time on the bikes, in the car, that I use this synthetic blend. But, I might be stocking a full synthetic too, but for now, I work on older Harleys, so I use a little bit thicker oil. But anyway, these are the stuff we got. You know, if you want any of this kind of oils, I can ship it to you or whatever you want to do. It doesn't matter. You can maybe buy it online. I don't know. But anyway, I'm stocking the stuff. I'm pretty much a distributor for San Diego County, I guess, for now. But I actually stock it. But it hasn't been around for a long time. It's only about a 3-4-year-old company. But so far, it's a pretty good product. And like I said, I'll get back to you on my CAD once I figure out how it runs here next week. We'll see how much of a gain I got. So, and I got a couple other people using stuff. I just sold some stuff, some of this for an old Miata, whatever overhead cam piece of crap 4-banger thing. So it's got a lot of valve lifter noise in it and knocking noises. So he's gonna put that in there and see how it works on his Miata. It'll probably help it quite a bit, I bet. But we'll find out on that one too. So far everything I put in either made no difference or it made major improvements. Not much in between. No bad yet, so that's always a plus. So anyway, there you go. That's what we're doing. And I forgot one. I also have 2-cycle oil. I got a friend that does some road racing on some, I don't know, foreign vehicle 2-stroke crap. So I got some of this for him to play with on his race bike, but he sees it a couple times with regular oils in it. So I'm gonna try it on that. But anyway, they also have this for 2-cycle stuff, and they use a lot for lawnmowers and stuff like that too. But anyway, that stuff too. So they got a pretty good selection of stuff. But anyway, just letting you know I have that too. So there you go.